Okay, 2 tablespoons of oil, high heat. We're going to make a stir-fried chicken with ginger. So I have a rice oil in here. Wait for the oil hot. Okay, let's see. When the oil hot, I'm going to add this garlic. I chop them. This garlic is about half a tablespoon of garlic. If you like a lot of garlic, of course you can add more. I love this Thai garlic. They are small, little small cloves, tiny one. Okay, when you add garlic, it's garlic fragrance, smell chicken neck. So I use chicken breast. This chicken is about like 100 grams. Or you can add a lot of chicken if you want, 200-300 grams if you want to. You can do with chicken, pork, you know, beef, prawn. Okay. You cook until you can see the chicken color turn white. You see the color? The chicken is going to be white. That it tells you that chicken is cooked. I feel like I'm about a minute or two. Alright. Next thing, when chicken ready, we're going to add this. So I have a different color here. Red, like this is the bell pepper, red, green, yellow, onion, wooden ear mushroom, the brown one, and I have some of the Thai chili, the spicy one here, I feel. I like it hot. And of course, ginger. This is the ginger, you see? I cut them small one. This is the regular ginger that you guys can find them at home. Right? And I have scallion spring onion here. I'm gonna save it for last. Mix them well, and then sauce. The mixture here, the sauce is oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sugar, and then a little bit of water to make it more juicy. You can use water or chicken stock. Oh, I love ginger smell. Yum. Cook them for about a minute, and then you will start to see that onion, you know, transparent and clear, and then cook. If you like it more juicy, some people like stir fry kind of juicy, so you can add more water or chicken stock, whatever you have there. So I have the water here, and I try to not use MSG, so I use the sugar to balance the flavor. All right. Okay. It's gonna be bubbling. You know, see it right there, because I make a bigger portion here, like this could be 2-3 people, so my gas is not very big frame, but to be safe, you know, if you take it easy, medium heat, you get the food to eat but not burn. So now my sauce thicken up. You see the liquid become close. You see that? And now time for the spring onion or scallion. Put it in. And for how long? Until you see again the color is changing. Which color? The scallion or spring onion. It turned dark green. You don't want to cook too long because you want to keep them crunchy. That's it, stir fried chicken ginger. Et voila! Bon appétit!